This is the life of a chef right here.
Welcome.
We're doing the real thing right now.
Welcome to the Iraqi food distance.
We got over here a couple things.
You need to picture the menu.
Yep. Here I am taking a photo of it, so you got some proof of what the plan is. And we're drinking some
Cheers.
white wine there. We're gonna do the best we can, but I'm learning from the best. I can't wait to show you more.
Cheers!
Like this. Okay. Look at that, okay? Then you throw this in there. Yeah, you can throw that one in. Mix it. Yep. You want it to be like one family. You want it to be like a family. Mix it together.
Look.
Yep. And by the way, we're doing the Iraqi fish. Yeah.
More olive, more olive.
A little bit more of that. I think it's good. Come and check. Let's see if it's okay. It might be okay, it might not be okay.
Yes, like the baby on the bed.
Underneath. And you put the head first, Alright, those are 3 pieces?
6 pieces, please.
6 pieces. You got it, master. You got it, master. Alright, here we go. Another one. And I'm gonna lay it like this, I think, right?
Add the cube, please.
You got it, sir.
Add the cube.
You got it, master chef. I'm learning.
You sure you're an American?
Not anymore. I'm definitely Iraqi. I'm Iraqi.
Yalla, add the cube, add the cube.
At the Cuba.
It's freeze.
There we go. Yeah, it's frozen. It's frozen.
It's frozen.
You know the movie Frozen? It's for the kids. All right.
That's all. Now,
Yep.
take.
Yep.
Look, from here, from the out, inside. That's all. You remember? I want now fire because it's frozen. All the temperature are down.
Yep.
Now it's frozen. You remember this?
Yes.
We have place? We have. Don't worry about the place. Now it's going down.
It's sexy, basically. What is Lakman Bajon?
Lahmad Bajun, it's bread
Yep.
with meat.
Meat.
Meat, but beef meat.
Beef meat.
And onion.
That's it?
But it's بصر طاحون, it's ground
Ground beef?
ground beef.
Ground beef?
Ground beef.
Wow. This just hearing the word ground beef makes me super hungry. So where's this gonna go?
This will go to oven.
To the oven.
To the oven. Now I want to make the sauce.
Yep.
Tahina.
Tahina. I know this. In English,
Cool.
tahini.
Tahini. This is Iraqi, of course.
Okay. Understood. And this is going, what are we doing right now?
We will put the sauce on the bread and we bake it.
What is it called? Lahma bajin.
This is lahma bajin with meat. And
We will
this
bake
is
it.
Red. Look, this is red, yeah?
All right, it's looking great. Everything is red today.
Little bit sugar because the onion. It's
are you pushing hard or are you pushing lightly? Just
I told you with
gentle, man. Gentle.
now.
So this is a mix? Whoa. This is red bread. Red bread.
Red bread.
But
This
I
is
don't-
The name. This is the name.
Got it. But it doesn't look red, but
It look orange.
it looks that we can change it to orange bread. It's gonna be amazing. I can't wait to eat this. I did not expect this. This is not what I expected. I just thought kubaselic.
No.
I thought kubaselic.
A lot of dishes.
You make many dishes here.
Everybody home?
Is somebody home?
I'm coming.
I'm coming.
1, 2, 3.
Good job.
We'll be in touch.
I have to tell you that my experience right now with Shuki, it's amazing. I did not expect this. When I first came to come to his home for the first time, to be inside and to cook this kubaselic, I thought it was good. Together, I thought I was just gonna cook kubaselic, just like my mother-in-law did. But this guy right here is teaching me more than just that. And I really appreciate it, and I just can't wait until how it feels.
Thank you so much, my friend. You're welcome.
It's amazing. It's amazing. He's given me like all the secrets. These are secrets that not too many people know about. I never knew about it.
Only for you.
And I can't wait to try this food out. Oh my God. It's gonna be amazing.
It's not take a lot of time.
And seriously, am I an easy guy to teach or am I doing okay? What's your opinion? Am I okay? Am I doing a good job? Yeah?
Yes, you are perfect.
This is probably the best fish I'm ever gonna have in my life.
It's nice.
It looks perfect. And guys, this is not a pepperoni. This is like a tomato. Remember the tomatoes that we saw earlier?
Like
This is literally a pepperoni looking tomato. This is called kubaselic. In Hebrew it's called beet.
Cuba beef.
Cuba beets, yeah. We put in there a lot of different ingredients, as you saw. You're going to enjoy it. We're going to enjoy it together. Okay, so it's kirtad. You put it in there, okay.
And this one.
I've never seen this before in my life. We don't have, I never saw this in America, so. As you said, this is German made, right? German.
It's German made. here. Now, clean, quickly.
How long does it take to clean?
One of these.
In 1 hour? 1 hour cleaning?
1 hour and 1 minute.
All right.
Okay.
And then it will go and like it's like a whole process. The whole process, like a washer machine, like a dishwasher machine
Exactly.
with a fan.
We come back. We come back.
We will come back. Yeah. Delicious.
Look, it's not a lot of sauce.
No.
Dry.